everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. Today we're going to check out my Chic box for June. If you are not familiar with the Chic Beauty Box, it is a every other month subscription. It's $34.99 per box. If you want to prepay for 3 boxes, which is 6 months of a subscription, that's going to be $94.99. If you want to prepay for 6 boxes, which is a 1-year subscription, that's going to be $189.99. So I do mine actually the box to box. Truthfully, I canceled this. I canceled it just a little bit too late. I got the emails that said I needed to customize and I just ignored them because I had canceled the box. I didn't expect to have the renewal. And then I got the email that said my order charged. And I'm like, oh, well, okay. So I'm going to get the box this month. I did get on there just in the nick of time to go ahead and get my customizations in. So I was able to pick what I have in my box. So I'm excited. I am really excited for what I have in here. So let's check it out. So it came in a pink mailer, and this is the box. Inside the box, you're going to have a card and your products. So they're all bubble wrapped, so there's not like the little squiggly things in there. So this will tell me some of the products and their value that I have. This has some things that I didn't get, and it has some things that I did get. So I don't know if it's going to have everything in my box in there, but let's check it out. I have a CoverGirl blush, and this is Chic's blush for $14.42 retail value. It's a pretty kind of mauve color. It's a little actually deeper than it looks on the picture, but I would say it's kind of a mauvey, deep raspberry kind of a color, not the blush rose it looks like here. But we got a CoverGirl blush. The next item is a Bare Minerals lipstick. I got the shade Wisdom, and the lipstick is a $22 value, and I definitely picked this one, and this is a really pretty color. I'm excited to see that. Seems like almost all the lipsticks I've been getting lately have been a neutral color. This is actually the lipstick that was in the Ipsy bag. If you guys didn't watch that video, check it out. It had 2 full-size items in there disguised as trial sizes because they were packaged differently. This lipstick is the full-size volume of the full-size lipstick from this brand, and it also came with a Kat Berkey eye cream that was the volume of a full size. It was just in a squeezy tube instead of the glass pump bottle. So I'll take a little squeezy tube if it gives me the full-size product without having to pay for it. So this is our Bare Minerals little bullet. It is aluminum, it feels like. And ooh, what a pretty color. That is not as Barbie pink as it looks on there. Let me see if I can get it to show. I don't think it's going to show how deep that color is. It's just kind of being brightened up a little bit, but that is a true raspberry color. It's really pretty. I know I'm going to use this one, so I'm going to swatch it. That is our pretty color, and it's a really great smooth formula. Bare Minerals makes a very good lipstick, and it's got the Bare Minerals not only on the outside but also on the inside of the tube, so that's kind of cool. I don't think it's in focus, but it's there. Our next item is a L'Oreal lip liner, and that is red. That is a Christmas red lip liner. I don't even know if I have any red lipsticks to use that with, but this is a $9.99 value, so we got a L'Oreal lip liner. Our next one, I 100% picked this one. We have a Ofra, and this is the South Beach bronzer, and I was very excited for this one. This is a bronzer duo, and it is a $35 value. So Ofra products I 100% love. This has a really pretty darker and lighter tone bronzer, so you can use them individually or blend them if you want a color that is lighter than the dark one or darker than the light one, just kind of an in-between one. Those are super pretty. They're warm toned, and I wear a cool tone foundation, but I do like a warm tone bronzer, so I'm excited for this one. I picked this one. Last but certainly not least, we have a Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow quad, and this has a $56 retail value. So this one I'm very excited for. If you have trouble getting these little flaps open without tearing the boxes, slide a nail file or a little scissor side under there and pop it open. I almost had to tear that to get it open. I remembered I had scissors handy. These are our Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadows, and they look really neutral on the picture, but they are actually all pinky rosy tones. Those are gorgeous shades. We have 2 shimmers and 2 mattes. And the packaging is so pretty as well. There's a mirror on the top part, and you can see the gold reflective of the bottom part. Very pretty. I love that. So this was well worth my $35 plus tax or shipping or whatever I paid for this box. It was a surprise. It was an oopsie, but I'm still glad I got it. I have really enjoyed. I was glad that when I got it, I could see that I was going to get Ofra and Charlotte Tilbury in this box. So I'm happy with the box. This is great. We got Bare Minerals. Overall, we got 56, 35. We got over $125 of value in this box for our $34.99 plus shipping and everything. I think I pay a little over $40 once it's all said and done. But great box. Chic, really, I think they did a good box on this time. I really enjoyed this box. I'm glad I had an oopsie and got one more Chic box. Who knows, I may resubscribe again one of these days, but this might be the last one. You never know. We'll see. If you liked this video and would like to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on future videos. For now, I want to thank you so much for joining me on Beth Unboxes, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.